Welcome to the Linguasphere Online Academy podcast, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. Today's episode is extremely useful because we're focusing on the 10 most common and useful English phrases that you can use in daily life, at work, in conversations, and in real situations.
This is the kind of episode learners love because these are phrases people actually use.
Today we're doing something very powerful for your English. We're not rushing and we're not memorizing many things. We're focusing on 10 extremely useful English phrases, and for each phrase, we will fully understand it before moving on.
That's better for learning.
Exactly. When you truly understand a phrase, when to use it, how it sounds, and how people respond to it, your English becomes natural. And if this episode helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Linguasphere Online Academy podcast with other English learners. Let's start with the first phrase. The first phrase is, "How's it going?" This is one of the most common phrases in everyday English. You hear it at work, at school, in shops, and on the street. It is a greeting, not a serious question.
So people don't expect a long answer.
Exactly. "How's it going?" is similar to "How are you?" but more informal and friendly. Here are natural answers. It's going well. Pretty good. Not bad. All good. Now let's hear it in a real situation. "Hey Sam, how's it going?"
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Notice how short and relaxed this is. That's real English. Now, an important cultural tip. When someone says, "How's it going?" they usually don't want details about problems unless they are close to you. Common mistake. Learners sometimes answer with long personal stories that can feel uncomfortable in casual situations. Correct approach: short, friendly, positive. The second phrase is, "I'm not sure." This phrase is extremely important because it helps you speak honestly and confidently. Many learners feel pressure to answer quickly, even when they don't know something.
I feel that pressure.
That's normal. "I'm not sure" removes that pressure. Here are natural uses. "I'm not sure about the time." "I'm not sure if that's correct." "I'm not sure, but I can check." Let's hear a real conversation.
Do you know when the meeting starts?
"I'm not sure, but I can find out." That answer sounds responsible and professional. Pronunciation tip. Native speakers often say it smoothly. "I'm not sure." You don't need to force it, just recognize it when you hear it. Mistake to avoid. Don't say, "I don't know" in a cold or abrupt way. "I'm not sure" sounds softer and more polite. The third phrase is, "That makes sense." This phrase shows understanding. It tells the speaker that their explanation is clear.
I hear this a lot.
Yes, because it's very natural. Examples. "Oh, that makes sense." "Okay, that makes sense now." Real situation. "We need to leave early because traffic is heavy in the morning."
Oh, that makes sense.
Perfect response. You're showing you understand and you're keeping the conversation flowing. Mistake to avoid. Don't use it in every sentence. Use it when something becomes clear. The fourth phrase is, "Can you help me?" This phrase is one of the most powerful phrases you can learn. It is polite, clear, and useful in almost every situation. Examples. "Can you help me with this?" "Can you help me understand this?" "Can you help me, please?" Real situation in a shop.
Excuse me, can you help me?
"Sure, what do you need?" Very simple, very effective. Politeness tip. "Could you help me" sounds a little more polite, but "can you help me" is completely acceptable. The fifth phrase is, "I think so." This phrase is used when you believe something is true, but you're not completely sure.
It sounds careful.
Exactly. English often prefers careful language. Examples. "I think so." "I think so, but let me check." Real conversation.
Is this the right office?
"I think so." That sounds natural and calm. Mistake to avoid. Don't use this when you are 100% sure. It's meant for uncertainty. The sixth phrase is, "I don't think so." This is the polite way to say no or to disagree. Examples. "I don't think so." "I don't think that's correct." Real situation.
Is this train going downtown?
"I don't think so." Notice how soft and polite that sounds. Cultural note. Direct disagreement can sound rude in English. This phrase helps you disagree gently. The seventh phrase is, "Let me think." This phrase is extremely useful because it gives you time to think without sounding nervous. Examples: let me think. Let me think about it. Real situation:
What time works for you?
let me think. Maybe around 5. That sounds confident and natural. Important tip: silence feels uncomfortable in English. This phrase fills the silence naturally. The 8th phrase is, that sounds good. This phrase is used to agree with ideas or plans. Examples: that sounds good. That sounds good to me. Real situation:
Let's meet tomorrow morning.
that sounds good. Simple, positive, and natural. Variation: that sounds great equals more excitement. The 9th phrase is, I don't understand. This phrase is essential for learning. Never be afraid to use it. Examples: I don't understand. I don't understand, can you explain? Real situation:
Sorry, I don't understand.
no problem, let me explain again. This helps communication and learning. Mindset tip: asking for clarification is smart, not weak. The 10th phrase is, thank you so much. This phrase shows strong appreciation. Examples: thank you so much. Thank you so much for your help. Common replies: you're welcome. No problem. My pleasure. And these 10 phrases may look simple, but they are powerful. If you master them, your English will immediately sound more natural.
I feel more confident already.
And that's the goal. If this episode helped you, like it, subscribe, and share the Linguisphere Online Academy podcast with other English learners. Practice these phrases out loud, use them in real life, and remember, fluency is built one phrase at a time.